The Lakeland Flying Tigers are excited to announce their Friday night charity concert series. Bring the kids, meet a tiger, enjoy exciting minor league baseball action. Bring the whole family out to the ballpark for some family, affordable entertainment. The Friday night charity concert benefiting Junior League of Greater Lakeland, presented by Detroit Tigers Foundation of Florida. Come see the beautifully renovated Publix Field at Joker March's Stadium in Lakeland. Friday, May 12th, enjoy baseball and great music by the definitive Fleetwood Mac. This is where fun happens.